Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahmoud Akbar Afridi, and today we would be studying about prefixes and its meanings. In this unit, we consider some prefixes which have a negative meaning or can be used to form the opposite of a word. Okay, so over here it is mainly about negative impact of the words, and it would make the words meaning opposite. A knowledge of prefixes is sometimes helpful when you want to guess the meaning of a new word. Yes, whenever you found a word like which you are not familiar with, so what you would decide, these prefixes might help you to decide what does it mean. And when you have to answer this type of question in papers, usually we get question of sometimes that what does this particular word in the paragraph means is at this point. So over there we could use prefixes as a help for us. Okay, what is the meaning of prefixes in bold letters in these words? So first of all, the word is binoculars. Binoculars. Semicircle. Binoculars mean, sorry, not binoculars, it's binoculars. Binoculars mean people with like white collar who doesn't do crime. Semicircle mean half circle. The word semi is in bold letters. Triangular. Tri means a shape which have three sides. Benefactor. Benefactor, then vice chairman, subway, television, maladjusted, pan African. These are the answers, but they are in the wrong order. Okay. Um, okay. Study the two lists in all the following table and check that you understand the examples. This is not complete list of Latin and Greek. Okay, so first of all, the first prefixes are ab, ab, which means away from or off. Now, abduct, take away by force. Add, ad, which means to or towards. Adjoining, joining to. Ambi and amphi, which means both. Ambidextrous, able to use both hands equally well. The word over here, mb and amphi, you could put these words where you want to say that these both people have, like whenever you want to refer to two people. Ante, which means before. Antenatal treatment, before birth treatment. Then comes arc, chief, which means chief. Arc, bishop. Arc, an enemy. Auto means self, like auto drive, which means self drive. Means autobiography, autograph. Bene, bene, well, which means well. Benevolent, benefit. Okay. Bi, we say, which means two or twice. We could say binoculars and bicycle. Bicycle, why? Like a bicycle have two tires. That's why it's called bicycle. Bio. Bio means life. When we say biology, the science of living things. Then comes around, circumferences, the distance around a body. Okay. Co, together with. When we say co-founder, the together founder or the other founder. Cooperate. Okay. Then com, com, and con, which means with, like it's compete and compare. De, which means down, descent. Then demi means half. Demigod. Dia, dia means across, like which you could say diagonal and diameter. Then em and en, which means in or on, in close, in parallel. Then x, which means out, expel, ex osmosis, exert. Then ex, which means former, it have a dash in it between. Ex international player. Ex mean like retired. Okay, extra, beyond, outside, extraordinary. He's extraordinary. For, FORE, before. For warm, and then foretell. Hemi means half in the northern hemisphere. So this is all about prefixes and its meanings, like homophones, which means similar. Homo means similar. Okay, hyper means above or over. Hypersensitive, very sensitive. Inject, invade. Okay, when you like go by something in and you just conquer their place. Enter, among, which means when you enter among some people or in between. It means interrupt or intermediate. So this is all for today. Thank you for listening.